So I just wanted to take a moment and sort of show off what this is. Basically what this is one of the HRS website that we're developing. They wanted to have this cool little tiled area where you could list links to things, but we wanted it to be able to be maintained pretty easily. And so when you edit the page, if you look at the page here, it's just a list. And so quick links, current topics, as you can see, it's just a list with indentations. These items are just indented in and out. These count as the headings, and then these are the sub things of the headings, and it ends up looking like this. There's two ways to enable this. The first way is to add class list columns to the UL. If we go ahead and take that out, we update it, as you can see, it'll just come out as a normal list, just like we saw before, just like normal. The other way is to add a custom field called list columns with any value. It can have any value here. Add it, and it will automatically make every single list on the page look like this. This is good for a page where you might want to do something like, let's see, duplicate a lot of different things. So let's do, a whole bunch of them. And as you can see, they tile down and they look real nice, and you can fill up a whole page with all these links and use them as references and things like that. As you can see, this list here is just a UL. It just takes every unordered list that's on this page and all the LIs and just changes the CSS for them to make them look good. And this all happens here in the code whenever the function is called here from, I believe it is header, which I don't have open. But you can sort of see, it checks to see, you could actually use any of these. I've put them in here just in case people try to use them. But the main one that we want is this one. This right here is let's go and save that. And so as you can see, if you include the meta tag, it's going to go ahead and just do it to every UL in the content. If not, what you have to do in order to get it to work, so let's say we go ahead and delete this, or we go and delete it, and we refresh the page here, it's just going to be a list. What we have to do is find that unordered list, and this helps in case you want to have, an unordered list that is, let's go ahead and just duplicate this for instance. We'll have two of them here. As you can see, there's two here. Hopefully it didn't combine them. And we can just class equals list columns. Okay, and in editing mode they will stay the same, but when we go ahead and do a preview on it, these will start to tile, and then the list will start here. In fact, I just found a little bug that I need to fix and have this start down here because it should clear. But you get the point. In fact, let's go ahead and add this here. You can sort of get an idea of how I fix this stuff. I think every unordered list should clear left because they look horrible on the left. On the right, they look good. Floated left, they look cool. Let's go ahead and fix that. There we go. So as you can see, this list up here, this top list up here, looks nice because it has that class name. And then the unordered list down here, which I believe starts here, does not have the class name. If we went and classed it up, list columns, go ahead and let's preview that. As you can see, both of them will be tiled up real nicely. And in fact, I'm going to do some more CSS to make this look even better. We'll get these ULs. In fact, let's go ahead and just fix that real quick since we're here. We'll find where it does this. List columns. Let's go ahead and margin top is 20 pixels. Let's go ahead and clear both. Let's go and save that. That should fix that. It didn't, but I'll work on it a little more and get it to look right. But if we wanted to, we could go ahead and remove the class names from both of these and turn them back into normal lists. Go ahead and preview that. As you can see, they're normal lists, and then we can just add custom field here called listcolumns, true, anything, it doesn't matter. Add it, and as soon as we do that, we can go and refresh it, and it's just going to do it to, let's refresh the preview, it's going to do it to every list that's on here, as you can see. So just a cool feature I just added, and I sort of just wanted to put it out there. It's going to be part of Accolade 2.0.3.1, which I'm going to hopefully release soon, for the colleges that already run Accolade. So just a cool feature that I just built in, and I just wanted to showcase it a little bit.